Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to set up frame rate target in dynamic settings in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. So in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, we have frame rate target settings. So open settings, find graphics, general graphics, and here find dynamic settings. And here we have frame rate target. So these settings, dynamic, we can find it in dynamic settings. It allow us to set a desired frames per second. It's just normal FPS goal. So this is the FPS limit. So the simulator then automatically adjusts graphic settings in real time to maintain this target, ensuring smoother performance across various scenarios. For example, it's better when you have always 30 FPS than when you have sometimes 90 FPS, then 60 FPS, then 30 FPS, and then 90 again. So you can select this target. For example, I want to use 60 FPS. I really don't know does my computer handle with it, but I will try. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.